I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make iced tea like Lipton. First, gather your ingredients. Lipton family-size tea bags, fresh water, and sugar if you like it sweet. You'll also need a large, heat-safe pitcher. This easy method is perfect for a refreshing drink, ensuring a consistent and delicious result every time. It's a straightforward process that anyone can master. Next, let's brew the tea. Bring 4 cups of fresh water to a rolling boil. Once boiling, remove the water from the heat and add 4 Lipton family-size tea bags. Let them steep for 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how strong you prefer your tea. After steeping, carefully remove the tea bags, gently squeezing them to extract all the flavor. This step is crucial for a rich base. Now it's time to sweeten and dilute your tea. While the tea concentrate is still hot, stir in 1 cup of granulated sugar until it completely dissolves. If you prefer unsweetened tea, you can skip this step. Then, add 4 cups of cold water to the pitcher. This not only cools down the tea but also brings it to the perfect drinking strength. Give it a good stir to combine everything. Finally, for the best taste, refrigerate your iced tea for at least 1 hour. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully and ensures a truly refreshing drink. When you're ready to serve, pour it over plenty of ice and garnish with fresh lemon slices. You can adjust the sweetness or add more water if needed. Enjoy your perfectly homemade Lipton-style iced tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.